Hello, good morning. How are you? How are you doing? So it's Mark Sultan with you today. Our lesson deals with inequalities. Okay, before starting doing this lesson, before that you already know how to solve equation, isn't it? So, for example, if it is given an equation like 3x plus 4 equal negative 2, okay. In order to find the value of x, first of all, I should isolate x on one hand side and to transfer other numbers on the other side. Okay, look here. First of all, to solve it, we should subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, mean 3x plus 4 negative 4 is equal to negative 2 minus 4. Okay, the black 4 here that I subtracted from both sides. Then you can see that negative 4 plus 4 or 4 minus 4 is 0. Now need to write this on the left hand side. Just I would like 3x equal negative 6. Then, what is the coefficient of x? Okay? The coefficient of x is 3. So I should divide both sides by 3. Okay? So 3x divided by 3 gives only x. Then, how many 3's in 3? It's only one single 3. How many 3's in 6? 2. So 2 divided by 1 gives 2. Then we have a negative sign. It will be negative 2. This is how to solve equation. Okay? But the other side, we have inequality. An inequality, in fact, is an equation, but it has what? Symbols like greater than, or equal, smaller than, or equal, or greater than, and smaller than, without equal sign. Okay, for example, here is an inequality. 3x plus 4 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, to make x the subject, I should subtract 4 from both sides. Then, after subtracting 4 from both sides, I will see negative 2, negative 4 gives negative 6. Then 3x is greater or equal to negative 6. I should divide by 3 both sides. Okay. So, in order to solve this, we'll do the same way as an equation. Okay? So, we'll subtract 4 from both sides. Minus 3x is greater or equal than negative 2, negative 4. Okay, this implies to 3x is greater or equal than negative 6. I want only the x, my kids. Okay? So, I will divide both sides by 3. Okay, it will be what? 3x divided by 3 gives only x. Very good. Negative 6 divided by 3 gives negative 2. So, here I will try to list all the numbers that satisfy my inequality. Who can give me numbers that are greater than negative 2? Okay, negative 2, it can be included. Why? Because x is greater than or equal. Okay, I will take equal first, then I will try to find numbers which are greater than negative 2. So the first number is negative 2, because negative 2 is greater or equal than negative 2. True also. Okay, so here, then give me a number that is greater than negative 2. Yes, negative 1. Very good. 0. Yes. 1. Yes. 2. The next 3, 4, and so on. Very good. So, in order to show this solution set of my inequality on a number line, I should draw first what? I should draw this number line. Then I will write here, this is negative 2. Why? Because x is greater or equal than negative 2. Okay, so negative 2, then we have negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, and this line, this you see here first, you see this circle, I shaded with a green color to tell that x already equal negative 2, means x, negative 2 is included on my number line. Okay, then I will draw the black solid line to represent my solution set. Here means x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Any number from x equal negative 2 and to the right, represent or satisfies my inequalities. Okay, then we gave you two exercises, A and B, some questions. Okay, one dealing with a negative coefficient, and the next dealing with a positive coefficient. Okay, and we told that if the coefficient of x of the subject that you tend to isolate it on one side and the other numbers on the other side, okay, if you would like to divide, let's say, this inequality by a negative number, either divide or multiply by a negative number, the symbol of my inequality will change. Okay, for example, here what is the coefficient? Negative 3. So, to isolate the value of x, I should divide both sides by negative 3. Okay, this is negative 3 divided by negative 3. Okay, negative by negative, negative divided by negative, always my kids equal to positive sign. Okay, then 3 by 3 is 1. 1 multiplied by x gives x. Okay, then this is before it was greater than. We told when you multiply any inequality or divide any inequality by a negative number, the symbol will change. This one is greater, it will be smaller than. Very good. Okay, then negative divided by negative, always positive. 6 by 3 is 2. Okay, who can give me numbers? X less than 2, never equal to, less than 2. For example, good boy, 1 is less than 2, very good. 0 is less than 2, very good. Okay, I will write here 2. This is 1, this is 2, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Means the solution set lies on what? On the left hand of the x value, x equal to. Okay, but here, look here, why it's an open circle, not a closed circle like that. We didn't shade it. Why? Simply because is less than. If it is less than or greater than, you should use open circle. Why? Because here x never be equal to 2. X is different, not equal to 2. Okay? That's why we use an open circle. Then I will draw this line, my kids, to show the solution set of my inequalities. The next question. The next question, you can notice that the coefficient of my inequality is positive. So it's easy to solve this one. Just this is negative 4, opposite of 4. Negative 4 is 4. So add 4 to both sides. Then simplify. I will make here plus 4. Why? Because this is a negative sign. If this is it is positive, I will make here negative. Okay? But this one is negative from first. Okay? I will make positive 4. You can notice, and also on the right hand plus 4. Because I add what? I add 4 to both sides. 4 minus 4 or minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Now need to write it on the left hand side. We move the middle to 4x. I will write it here, 4x. Then the symbol is what? Is less than. Okay. And 0 plus 4 or 4 plus 0 is 4. Why here the symbol does not change? Simply because the coefficient of x is positive. Okay, you are lucky because the coefficient here is positive. But if it is negative, you should immediately change the symbol. Very good. Then, to isolate x, here we have 4x. I want to isolate x, to write x itself. So I will just divide by the coefficient of x is 4. So I will divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives x. Then 4 divided by 4 gives 1. Now, in order to find the solution set, I will draw my number line. Then, what is the first number? X is less than 1. I will write here 1, then 0, then negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Okay? But here, I will use an open circle to tell that x never can't be equal to 1. That's why I should draw an open circle. and the x value, x equal 1. Okay? Then x is less than 1. For example, I am in. This is the 1. X is less than 1. What is here? This part or this part? Yes? Yes, very good. On the left hand side. So I will draw this line. Okay? Then I will write this. X is less than 1 is my solution set. Thank you for listening. Please, while you do this exercise, exercise 1, homework, student book, page 132. Try to solve it. If you meet problems, immediately contact your teacher, Murad Sultan. Okay, thank you for listening and goodbye. See you tomorrow. Okay? See you tomorrow, my kids, inshallah.